Hey guys, we're going to be doing an iPhone 6 screen repair today. The first thing that you want to do is take out the two Penelope screws. You can use it with your Penelope screwdriver. This can be found on eBay or Amazon. Now you're going to use your flathead to pry the screen away from the frame. Make sure not to bend the screen past 90 degrees and hold it with your left hand. What you want to do now is unscrew these 5 screws and then take out the metal plate. After doing this, there's going to be 4 flex cables that you're going to lift out. You can use your flathead or you can use your fingers. So now you've separated the screen from the frame. What we'll do now is work with the screen. There's going to be 7 screws that you're going to take out. This is holding the metal frame. Now you're going to take those 2 screws out that's holding the home button and also take off this metal frame. Unclip this home button, be very careful. And we're going to try to zoom in and see if we can take the home button off of the screen. Now you're going to take these 3 screws that's holding the speaker and the front camera assembly. Take off the metal plate. There should be another black speaker underneath. Go ahead and take that off. At this point, you're going to take the metal frame off. There's some adhesive right over here, so you can either heat it up or use a flathead and try to pry that off. This could be a little tricky. Now the metal plate easily comes out. This actually serves as the home button, if you were wondering. This is the front camera assembly. You can either take it out with your finger, or what I like to do is use a flathead to get through the adhesive. This is the earpiece, this gold part, and go ahead and just pry that off. So at this point, we've dismantled the screen. Now all we have to do is put the new screen on and put everything back together. First thing we're going to do is put the metal plate on. Let's go ahead and put those 7 screws back in. The next thing that we're going to do is put the home button back in. Go ahead and clip the home button back onto that metal frame. Put the shield protector on, and now we're going to screw those 2 final screws. Now we need to put the front camera assembly back together. Essentially put the gold part in first. Now watch very carefully how we put the front camera in. You're going to put the speaker in. And then put the remaining prongs on top. Go ahead and hold that with one finger while putting the extra shield plate on top. Go ahead and screw these final 3 screws. And now you're ready to put your screen back onto the phone. Remember, there were 4 flex cables that we're going to put in. Finally, let's put the shield plate on with the 5 remaining screws. And now we're going to pry the phone screen back into the frame. Let's put our finishing touches. Put the final 2 Penelope screws inside. And we should be good to go. If you like this video, please subscribe and hit the like button.